You can't go to a regular store and buy a work shirt that's got 12-ounce fabric. Hey, this is Joe from North Coast Supply Company, and today I am doing some collar tests with high heat washing and high heat drying, but I am putting the Helmsman's rigger shirt through the toughest of tests. So this test is the collar interfacing test. And on the top here, this has the interfacing. Interfacing is a layer of glued fabric that's meant to keep the collar stiff. And my other sample here is a collar without any interfacing at all. This is the non-interface collar, smoothed out, looks fine. This is the interfacing side of the interface collar. Looks halfway decent. Flip these over, smooth them out. Flip this over, smooth it out. You can see when I did smooth it out, right here, it bunched up. So there's a fabric differential between the interface side and the non-interface side of the collar. A lot of the manufacturing companies will they'll just slap on some of that cheap interfacing to make the collar stiffer when you're looking at these shirts on the rack, and they feel nice for a little while. You wash them a couple times and that stuff breaks down. Well, the main issue here is that when you interface the collar like this, the fabric will move differently from side to side, and it'll cause problems like this right here. What we're doing with the Helmsman's rigger shirt is eliminating the interfacing altogether, and it lays perfect because this fabric is 12 ounce. This is a heavy duty fabric. You can't go to a regular store and buy a work shirt that's got 12-ounce fabric. It's just, they don't make it this strong. They don't make it with this kind of fabric, and that's what we're doing here. And so when we're using such thick, strong, durable fabric, the interfacing actually makes it worse as far as durability and longevity. So we leave it right off of there. The fabric itself will hold up enough for this collar to stay and do what it needs to do. All right, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, you know what to do. Head over to northcoastsupply.co if you want to get notified of when the Helmsman's rigger shirt drops. All right, we'll see you in the next one.